Hello and welcome back to LACO's Curriculum and Instructions Canvas Training Series. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to build modules in your course. All right, so you've created your course and I'm on the home page, which is right now linking to the modules page. But to get to modules, you're going to click on the left side. These are your course tabs. We're going to click on the modules tab right here. Okay, so to create a module, and I consider modules as like units of study. So the best way I can explain this is if when I was teaching, I would create a module for every unit that I study in our class. So I was a social studies teacher, so for each module, I would start with a module on geography, then a module on Mesopotamia, a module on Egypt, a module on Greece, a module on India, a module on China, and so on. So think about your course and how you divide your course up. What are the different units of study that you want to take your students through in this course? All right, so I'm going to click plus module to create a module. Okay, so let's give the module a name. So I would start with geography. Okay, and then you're just going to click add module here. And there puts it right here. Let's add another one. Okay, the next module for me was actually early humans. As you can see, it's labeled down here. Let's create another one. Add plus module. The next one was Mesopotamia. Add module. Now you can move these around and change the order if you want by simply clicking these three dots and going to move module. All right, so I can add it to the top, I can add it before or after. So, but I'm going to keep it here. Okay, and let's do one more. The next module for us was Egypt. Okay. Now the nice thing with modules, and in our trainings, I like to start with modules because this is where you're going to create everything that relates to your course. Any assignments, any quizzes, any discussions, you create them here because it organizes them by the modules. Okay, so I have my modules created. So when I go back and if I click on another page, all right, and then I open up the course tabs again, let's go back to modules. It's already here. Okay, one last thing on modules, which we'll get into in a later training. You can add prerequisites for each module. So for instance, I want to start with geography, and if I have my students working through content, I can set it up to where they have to finish everything in geography before this module opens up, okay, which we'll get to a little later. Thank you, and we will see you on the next one.